too long.
Let me have your meat.
Fish heads, roly-poly fish heads. Yes.
Wait, what was he singing?
Something about fish heads? He's giving fish head, huh?
That was sexy beyond
Hey,
words.
what's money?
You know who doesn't care?
Hi, I'm Daisy.
Hi, I'm Daisy.
Yeah. we were driving. And the first two cars he went, fuck you. And then the last one he shouted out, hi, I'm Daisy.
Dude, when we're driving, if I see somebody on the side of the road, I'm gonna roll down the window and be like, hey, baby, why your asshole?
No, you know why that's funny, right? Hi, I'm Daisy.
No.
Mario Kart Double Dash. Daisy's a troll.
She hears that and no one does it. Hi, I'm Daisy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but nobody's gonna get that.
Yeah, but still, it's funny to us because we get it.
Do you have sandwiches? No.
Look into his eyes. Gaze upon his glory. Gaze upon his glory.
Imagine you in here. I'm
Look to
raunchy
your
and I don't
man.
even care.
No,
Look to your man. Now look at me. I am not your man.
Dude, he's good, big.
Chicken. Chicken. I don't have a nickname for you.
I'm JJ the jet plane.
Only if I could be Budgie the little helicopter.
Oh yeah, I'm Chris the jet plane.
JJ the jet plane.
Doesn't make sense, but it was not you and JJ.
I know, but it was funny as hell.
You boys ready?
Yep.
I'm ready.
Bye, we're Daisies. Daisy the jet plane, that's me. Let me in, goddammit.
Alright, again, when we hit her up, she has a boyfriend, so shut your dick.